Hi everyone, welcome to our channel. I'm Nisa News. I hope you will be fine this time to talk about BTS Arirang Billboard 200 Chennai and album drops to number 3rd. BTS post-military era was met with tremendous hype but is now experiencing a slight decline including that of sales. By Tia Mukherjee, updated on 21st April 2026. BTS Arirang Billboard 200 ranking dips to number 3 after peaking for 3 weeks. The recent BTS Arirang album chart performance shows that it recorded 78,000 units of sales in its most recent tracking period, signaling a 37% decrease. Despite special and anthology releases like B and Proof, BTS Arirang marks the group's first full group studio album in 6 years since Map of the Soul 7. Post its historic 3-week residency at the peak of the American music scene, BTS' latest studio venture Arirang has finally carried its throne. As per a Billboard 200 chart preview released Sunday, the K-pop king's fifth full-length album dipped down to number 3rd, leaving out the top spots to country songs led by Ella Langelis, Dandelion and Morgan Wallen's 2025 release, I Am the Problem. Notable, the album's lead track Swim also ranked at number 5 on the Billboard charts for the week of 18 April 2026, after being at the top for several days. BTS Billboard 200 ranking drop sees 37% sales decline. The shift arrives as Arirang BTS album sales logged 78,000 equivalent album units sold during the latest tracking week. This indicates a 37% decline in activity from its earlier frame. The Billboard 200 chart identifies America's most popular albums via a composite index of physical and digital sales, digital track downloads, and streaming volume. The 14-track project led by the title track Swim holds significant emotional value as the band's first collective studio release in nearly 6 years since Map of the Soul 7, February 2020. Although there were releases like B 2020 and Proof 2022, they were either a special dueling studio release or an anthology album, not conventional studio LPs like Motors or Arirang. Notable after Motors, the group released a Japanese special titled as Map of the Soul 7 The Journey. BTS Billboard Legacy and Chart Impact. BTS' new album also effectively ended a 4-year hit caused by the members' mandatory military service, showcasing a successful return while also redefining the skyline for international acts on the US charts. The group had charted multiple songs on several Billboard charts including the Hot 100 and Billboard 200 albums. Top Billboard Hot 100 peaks by BTS: Dynamite, Savage Love, Life Goes On, Butter, Permission to Dance, My Universe, Swim. Top Billboard 200 peaks albums of BTS: Map of the Soul 7, B, Map of the Soul, Persona, Love Yourself Dear, Prove, Arirang. As the band sets out on its Arirang World Tour, it is left to be seen whether their stage performances will help them to recapture the top spots while remaining captive with their Western peers. I hope you will enjoy this news. Have a nice time. Goodbye.